Hi class, I just wanted to give you an overview about the GELO assignment. So you can find the GELO assignment by clicking on modules, and then under modules, they're linked actually in quite a few places. So right now you should all be working on week 3 or week 4. So let's just open week 3. And in week 3, there's a link at the very bottom. Same for week 4 and week 5. There's a link at the very bottom for GELO assignment. Click on that and then open the PDF. So I suggest that you download it, but for the sake of this recording, I'm just going to open it here. So what I want you to do with this before anything is read the entire document. So the document is 3 pages long, so you should read all 3 pages before 4 pages long. You should read all 4 pages before you even move on with the assignment. But what you're going to do with the assignment basically is you're going to pick 1 out of 3 of these media articles to read. So let's say that you pick this media article. So you're going to open that media article and you're going to read the entire media article. Okay? When you're done reading that media article, there's some questions for you to answer. So if you scroll down to page 3, question number 1, what is the title of the media article? Number 2, just a brief overview of the media article. Number 3, the initial reaction to the media article. But then for the following questions, you need to read the peer-reviewed scientific article that the peer-reviewed article was about. So in order to do that, you have to kind of just play around with some of the links. So in this article, it's actually this first link. You click on this first link, and that takes you to the scientific article. In order for you to read the entire article, you have to click on PDF. Don't click on read full text, click on PDF. This will take you to the PDF. You'll read the entire PDF. So for this article, the PDF is 5 pages. You'll read the entire PDF. And then you're going to answer the next questions. Questions 4 through 7 ask you about the peer-reviewed article. Some of these questions ask you to compare the peer-reviewed article to the media article. And then with question number 8, you're going to be giving me the citation to the peer-reviewed article. You're not giving me the citation to the media article. You're giving me a citation to the peer-reviewed article. If you are unfamiliar with APA citations, if you go to the Modules tab, at the very, very bottom, you will see APA Citations Guide. So open that APA Citations Guide and follow along. So you are not citing a book. You are not citing a chapter of a book. You're citing a journal article. So you should follow the instructions here under journal article. The next thing that you have to do is download the PDF. So click download PDF and save it. And then once you have answered all of these questions in a Word document, make sure that you follow the format that's listed here. In a Word document, you're going to answer these questions. Then you need to submit the Word document and the PDF of the article, of the scientific article. Make sure that you submit both of these files, the peer-reviewed science article in PDF format, as well as the answers to your questions in a Word document. If you do not submit both of these documents into Canvas on time, you'll receive an automatic 0. This is because there's no way for me to grade the assignment if I don't know whether or not you read the correct articles. You are allowed to work in groups. If you choose to work in a group, be very careful about who you choose to be in your group because you're going to receive the same grade no matter what happens in your group. And only one group member should submit the assignment. So just a quick overview also of the second 2 articles. With the second article, you do need to create you need to create an account in order to read the whole article. So create an account, read the whole article, but it's the same thing here. You're going to click on this link right here. That's going to take you to the scientific article. You read the whole scientific article and download the PDF so that you can submit the PDF. In that third article, same thing. You open it, you read the entire article, and then in this one you would click on the link that's the journal name, which is cancer. And once again, you're clicking on PDF and you're going to read the entire PDF and submit the PDF. You only have to read one out of these 3 media articles, and you only have to read the one science article that goes with the media article that you submitted. All right, if you have any questions about this, please feel free to ask.